Hey there! Today, we're whipping up some trail mix bars for a healthy snack. They're super easy to make and packed with clean, wholesome ingredients. Chewy, sweet, and nutty. We're going to begin first by preheating oven to 325 degrees of Fahrenheit. In a mixing bowl, combine 1-2 cup each of raw sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, raw cashews, raw almonds, pecans, and dried fruits. Add 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then, drizzle 1-2 cup of maple syrup over the nuts and mix until everything is well coated. Transfer the mixture to a parchment-lined baking pan. And flatten it into an even layer using a spoon or spatula. Bake in the preheated oven until the maple syrup caramelizes. Once baked, let the mixture cool in the pan for an hour to harden. If the bars are still soft after cooling, bake them a bit longer next time. Then, slice into 12 even bars. For cleaner cuts, slice straight down through the nuts. If the bottom is too sticky, place a piece of parchment paper underneath. As for storage, you can keep the bars at room temperature for a few days, in the fridge for up to a week, or store them in the freezer for a couple of months. Hope you found a snack idea to try. If you enjoyed today's recipe, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for hanging out with Foodmetrica, signing up, and see you in the next video.